Dear viewers, we study in gymnasium number 9, Murmansk, in the 8th form. Our team is called the Polar Stars. We live in the beautiful Novel Land. Murmansk is a glorious hero city, is our homeland. The indescribable beauty of its nature casts a spell over the visitor and won't leave a single person half-hearted.
We want to tell you about one of the sites of the Polar Land, which is situated on the shore of the Barents Sea in the village of Teribirka in the Murmansk region. The Teribirka village, which is 120 kilometers away from Murmansk, became famous after the release of the film Leviathan by the Russian director Andrei Звягинцев. There appeared a new artwork on the slope of a hill and the entrance to Teribirka. Being called the Oceans, it represents two whale tails made of steel. According to the author Alexander Kromukh, it is devoted to Teribirka and its unique nature. Teribirka is the place where you can admire the ocean, the vast spaces, and the biggest inhabitants of our planet, the whales.
The artwork is a 6-meter-high installation of logs, and it's to become the symbol of the village and its site of interest. The steel sculpture in the shape of two whale tails was made in St. Petersburg and installed at one of the old piers of the Teribirka village. By design, the stela unites several images. The first is the letter T, which is the initial letter in the name of the village. Besides, there is hidden a tail of a diving whale in the sign. We can also see the outline of a man stretching out arms, once that he felt in endless freedom.
The sign can arise emotions of different kinds, and that it is strongly associates with Teribirka. It's created of wood and displayed on the rock. The natural materials remind of the woods in the mountains of the Kola Peninsula. The new sign does transfer the local atmosphere and the features of the place. The Ocean's artwork has won the second prize in the regional grand competition for the creators in the field of contemporary art. As the sculptor believes, the new symbol will draw attention to the environmental problems and the protection of whales in the Barents Sea. When I first visited Teribirka, I was inspired by the endlessly wonderful place, the edge of the rock, where the oceans meet the sky. And the encounter with the whales made me create a series of sculptures. So certainly the Ocean's artwork became one of the landmarks of the village.
And as the inhabitants of the North, we are very proud that such wonderful objects appear in our amazing land to surprise and impress the visitors and the local residents. And now it is a challenge for our generation to preserve the nature and pay attention to the environmental problems of our land, namely the protection of flora and fauna of the Barents Sea. We must save this beauty.